Hey, welcome to Odd Jobs. I'm at Liberty Way Farm and I've got a repair today on a, we don't even know what the heck it's called, but it's a wheelie cultivator system. And we've got some damage to the hoe attachment. I'm going to see if we can fix this. I've never looked at this kind of equipment before, but it's pretty obvious. So what's going on is that this hoe attachment, which goes in like this, it gets held down here with this this retaining bolt, but the bolt's stripped, and either the bolt stripped or the plate, the hole in the thread is stripped. Something's stripped. Anyway, it's not coming out one way or the other. So we're going to remove that bolt, I guess, and see what we can do. Yeah, it's pretty mashed in. I say this might be an easy fix. It might just be cutting the bolt, removing it, cleaning out the threads, and putting in a new bolt. But it could turn into something very, very dirty. Okay, let's have a look and see what that was. So I cut the bolt in half, and it's right here the threads are okay. You can see here at the end, it's all mashed up. Boy, there's been a lot of pressure on that bolt. Can't tell if the threads are any good or not. But let's have a look, see if we can just for now get this one in there. No. See, we completely destroyed it, so that's not going to work. The other option, my brilliant brother and I concocted, was to put a pin, one pin, a couple holes. That's what I'm going to do right now. Drill a hole here and on the other side. I'm going to make a mark. See if I can find something to mark it with. Yeah, I'm going to drill press. We're going to drill a hole. And then on the second one, too. Okay. Well, that's a pretty good start there. Okay. Now we're going to look for some... We've got two holes in it. And then when this goes through here, right, we can put a pin through each side. Right. There we go. Two pins now. And what are we going to make the pins out of? Okay, so I got some 1/4 bolts. I'll get those in there. That's at least going to get them back out on the field, right? Okay, we're going to tighten those up too. We'll tighten these up to deformity so that they just don't come loose. And maybe that'll be enough to make our garden guys happy. Ethan, just the man I'm looking for. I fixed your little wheelie hoe.
Oh.
Let's see how long it lasts, right? Ideally, I want
And the different attachments.
Well, no, all I did is I put a pin here and here, so it's not going to move.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right, and then I guess ideally I wanted a pin to go through with a quick release pin, right? And then you can change it out.
Yeah, just
because you guys, Eric says you guys don't even use these other attachments.
No, I've never really like swapped it out, and like even for the quick release, like most of the time, like I just have it set to the one height.
Well, now this is the height.
Yeah.
It's not adjustable. All right. I want to get these back together so that it can. But it was I thought I could just replace the bolt on the top, but no. I got the other one out, and then I tried to thread it, but they're metric, of course. Okay, so getting these pins in here, it's going to stop the cultivator from sliding out of its housing, and that's basically the intent. It's the tool that they use. So if it's broken, they can't use it, and they use it almost daily. So this is going to be a good repair. It's going to give them a little bit of a learning curve to get used to it again, but I'm sure it's going to make it through the season, and then perhaps we'll order the right part and get it fixed properly. But thanks for watching Odd Jobs. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and all that good stuff. This was a different kind of repair, but you know what? Sometimes on the farm you got to do things on the fly. So thanks for watching. See you again.